Hello, beautiful people. In this video, I'm going to talk about the void state. Yes, I feel like I have not talked about it at all, and this is the right time to talk about it. If you have not met me before, I'm Nehal, aka your guardian angel, and I'm here to remove all the blocks between you and your desires because the blocks are in your mind. What is void state? Why void state is so powerful? What is it? For a lot of people, whenever they are doing affirmations or scripting or visualization, and it feels like they are doing the work but nothing is working, and there are so many questions in your mind, so many doubts, that even when you try to focus, all you get is the negative thoughts. All you get is why you can't get it, why is it not working, and all of those things. And it can be really hard sometimes. But when you are in the void state, and when you get into the void state and you feel the energy, you feel it in your body that wow, this is so powerful, this is working, this is working. You feel so powerful in yourself that affirmations, everything positive just comes through. Positive images, positive words, everything just comes through. You can get into a void state with various different methods. Some people like to look into a candle, some people meditate, some people listen to 432 hertz music or some calm music, white noise, etc. You can get into the void state with this. However, it's just like it's one thing and one thing only, one music playing, one sort of thing playing. So sometimes if you have a very like erratic mind, and if you have a very difficult situation, doubts still pop up, and you are just so busy trying to drive away the negative thoughts. It's like no, 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 not negative thought, please get out, that the positive thought doesn't have any space to come in. It just happens, right? So what I do is I come into my body first. So like doing some stretching and etc. Some things like that, like deep breaths and stretching. So it's just like, oh, your mind is like, okay, we are doing something. We are doing something, something, something. It's not just like you're just affirming or you're just scripting. You just went and started writing. You just went and started affirming. That works too. However, this void state is something like it's I would say it's kind of simple and it works faster than anything else. So it's kind of like a ritual. I would say it's something like that. So when you do the stretching and everything, your body is alert. It's like, okay, we are doing something. We are doing something. And your mind is also like, okay, something is happening here. Something, something. And when you start stretching after that and you come into your body and you chant, I chant Om, right? I belong to the Hindu religion. So we have that in our culture as well. So according to your religion, whatever prayer that you have, whatever type of chanting that you do, you can do that. And if you don't belong to any religion, you just believe in law of assumption or the universe, whatever, you can chant Om. It is believed that when the universe was formed, the first sound was Om. Om is really powerful. Like you know it, everyone knows it, really. So what I do is I chant Om. And when I chant Om, it's like try doing that. When you chant Om, it's like you don't have any space for any negative thought. They just go away. Like this, like this. So it's just like you are so focused on saying Om, on chanting Om, that you don't have any space in your mind to think of doubts. You don't have any space in your mind to have negative thoughts or anything. It just becomes very low, right? It becomes zero as well. And after that, what I do is the I am thing. Obviously, everything started with I am. Everything starts with you. Everyone knows that. Everyone is you pushed out. Whether you are manifesting a specific person or a specific thing, anything that you are trying to manifest, everything starts from you. And everything starts from I am. And that's why everyone says that self concept is really important. And self concept starts from I am. I have a self concept video. If you want to know more about it, I'll just link it here. Everything starts with I am. So basically, saying things like I am gorgeous, I am rare, I am beautiful, I'm smart, I'm worthy, I'm lovable, I'm easy to love, I am enough, I'm smart, things like that. It starts with that. Whatever is according to you, according to your mindset, according to what you want to manifest, it starts with I am. And once you are saying I am, I am, I am, and you get into that space where you are in the energy, it's like, wow, I'm actually something. I'm actually good enough. I'm actually really kind and sweet and amazing. And I'm actually smart as well. Like I am the catch, actually. You get into that energy. It's like I am, I am, I am. And after that, you start thinking about your desire. After that you start affirming or whatever you're doing, but after that you tap into that energy. It's like getting into the end state. It's like, okay, my desire is already done, what now? My desire is already done, so I'm feeling this, I'm experiencing this. Like, you are filling your mind with all sort of beautiful words, all sorts of like beautiful pictures, whatever is your technique. So you are living in the end at this point. And after, it's like, because you have done so many things and you are in your body and you have done self concept work as well, then it's like easier to live in the end. Live in the end, and you have to actually sit down for this. So it's like, okay, we are doing something really serious, right? And the more your subconscious mind is like, wow. Some people get results in one go, like literally in one time. It's like, wow. It's like that. It works so fast. And after that, you do another stretching, and after that, you seal it with another Om chanting. It's like, okay. And when you're saying Om, you're thinking, oh, it is done, it is done, it is done, it is done. And then it's like, Om, like you just seal it in. I know how weird it sounds, but manifestation is weird. It it happens in a weird way. You even manifest things in a weirdest way. Think about all the things that you have manifested. It just arrived in your life in a very mysterious, magical, kind of weird way. Right? Manifestation is weird, and I feel like void state is really weird. And when you are in that energy, it's like you're on top of the world, and it feels like, wow. And it really, like, you're living in the end. It's really, you feel that it is done, it is done, it is done. Void state works for everyone. It legit works for everyone, every single person on this planet. Okay, whether whatever your childhood trauma is, whatever your situation is, whatever you're trying to manifest, how many years it actually took you to manifest, it doesn't matter. It works for everyone. And of course, I have made a separate video about how to enter into a void state. And I have done this, like you are doing this with me. Like, I am doing the Om chanting, I am instructing you to stretch and do all of these things. And then I'm instructing you to manifest, I'm instructing you to say this I am affirmations, and I'm speaking that with you. Plus, there is this powerful background music happening as well, where you feel it like, wow, this was the void state. And I'm sealing it in after saying it is done, it is done, it is done. And the end Om chanting, everything. I'm doing that. I have that video free. It is free, but it's on my website. I'll link it down below. So use that video and manifest. And then come back to this video and tell me your success story, because I know you will have success stories. You can manifest multiple desires. You can manifest literally anything or anyone with this video. Literally anything or anyone. Seriously. And it is going to happen faster than you think. That just works. It just works. Okay, it works every single time. And whenever I say it works, it does work. Look at my manifest within 24 hours video. Look at my manifest within 12 hours video. SP is obsessed with you video. The call video, the text video. In those videos, I did say that it works, and it works really, really fast, and it did work. Some of you got results while the video was playing. Some of you got results in hours, in minutes, within 24 hours. It does happen, you guys. It does happen. Manifestation doesn't have to be so hard. So go grab that video. The link is down below. I love you guys so much. And if you want one on one coaching, if you want to talk to me, everything is down in the description box. You can get it. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Happy manifesting.